Well, hello, it's Bears back. Today we're going to look at this faucet lock. You guys can pause it and read the cover. Extra key included, no tools required, twist on and lock. Hopefully that's coming out real well. Here's the back. You can pause it and read it if you want. Try to get it all in there, or if you can read that. So let's take a look at this bad boy. Okay, and we'll pull the keys. So that's your lock part. Got like just a rubber plug right here. It only screws on just so far, it looks like. Interesting. So let's open it up. Okay, that's supposed to be open. Or is that? No, that's locked. So that's open, I think. Well, it doesn't go in very far, guys, I'll tell you that. We'll see how it works later. But let's see if we can do this. I don't know. Need to get it out just a little bit where I can get my wrench on it. Yeah. Let me get this adjusted a little bit here, guys, and we'll see what we got. See if we can. Oh, guess what, guys? The inside's too little to use the goat. Yeah, doesn't work. So I don't even know if it's big enough to use this. Might be one of my other sizes. Yeah, it's a different size. I've got another one, I just don't have it out. So, well, we can't. I'll have to come back and see if I find another one that will work with it. Okay, I'll be right back. Well, I found the one that works with it. The 7.5 works with this one. I've just impressioned it and set it. So where's my dauber there, it's open, and oh, not quite, there it is. So yeah, it's a 7.5 on this one. So yeah, and that's why I love these things, is because this ring here, let me get it set. You push this button, you push it all set, and use a light, real light right here. When you get it turning where it goes in and turns, then you just tighten this ring up and it locks it into that, so you can just keep turning it and keep going. These are great to have. But yeah, let's go take this outside and see about a faucet. Okay, now we're out here. Let's give it a try. It's kind of down there. Yeah, feels tight. Well, that didn't blow away. Okay. Alright. Okay, so okay. And that's locked, folks. It just spins. Can't take it back off now. Just spins around. Let's see if they could. Yeah, it holds the water. It's not going to leak. So yeah, I would recommend that. I really would. Let's go back inside. Well, let's take it off first. I'm gonna rotate it here to the top. And thank you, baby. I see you. Yes. And yeah, it works great. Let's go back in. Well, I'd have to say that worked out pretty well. I would recommend this little booger here. I really would. It seems to do the job just fine. If you want to lock out the water faucet so people can't just turn on your water and leave it run and lose all your water and run up a bill and stuff. And if you want to get into one of these, you're going to have to make one of these. It's a little bit tighter in here to be able to work with that. So you're going to need the 7.5. The normal one is 7.8. That's normally most of your locks. But this one's a 7.5. So, okay, guys, that's what I got for you today. And I hope you enjoyed it. Stay legal and have fun, guys. Bye.